Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of Simon Says
Let's learn English.
Take a look at the following sentences. Him and his friend visited Turkey. He and his friend visited Turkey. Now, which sentence is correct? Remember the rule in the last lesson, me versus I. So what should we do now? Well, the first thing we should do is take away the other person. And we're left with him visited Turkey and he visited Turkey. Now, in both sentences, we have the word visited, which is a verb. It's an action. Now, in the first sentence, there's a pronoun him. But do you remember what type of pronoun this is? Yes, it's an object pronoun. And an object pronoun is a pronoun that receives an action, but it doesn't do an action. So that means that this sentence cannot be correct. So let's look at the other sentence. What type of pronoun is he? The pronoun he is a subject pronoun, and a subject pronoun is a pronoun that does the action. Therefore, this sentence is correct. He visited Turkey. He visited Turkey. Here's another example. Him and Ali played football. Now, this sentence is wrong. Why is that? Because him is an object pronoun, and an object pronoun does not do the action. So let's look at the other sentence. He and Ali played football. Now, the word played is a verb, it's an action. And the pronoun he is the subject pronoun that does the action. Therefore, he and Ali played football is correct. Now, let's move on to the next part of this lesson. Take a look at these two sentences. I gave him some money. I gave he some money. So which sentence is correct and why? Let's take a closer look. Now, the word gave is a verb, it's an action. As for the pronoun I, then this is a subject pronoun. And we know that a subject pronoun does the action. Now, in both sentences, we have the subject pronoun I, and we also have the verb gave. Now, what comes after this verb must be an object pronoun, because an object pronoun receives an action. So, in these two sentences, which one is the object pronoun that comes at the end? Is it him or is it he? And the correct answer is him. So therefore, the correct sentence is I gave him some money. I gave him some money. Right, once again, as we normally do, let's get some practice. Which sentence is correct? A. He and his father are reading a book. B. Him and his father are reading a book. So which one is correct? Well, A is correct. But why is that? Okay, well, he is a pronoun and it's a subject pronoun that does the action. And the action in this case is reading. Therefore, the sentence, he and his father are reading a book, is correct. But what's wrong with B? Now, him is an object pronoun, and an object pronoun can only receive an action. So this sentence cannot be correct. We need a subject pronoun, as we have in the first sentence. Let's have a look at this question. Which sentence is correct? A, I taught him the alphabet. B, I taught he the alphabet. Now in this case, the first sentence, A, is correct. Now remember that him is an object pronoun that receives the action, which is in this case taught. So for this lesson, what you need to remember is that you should use he before the verb and him after the verb. And also, don't forget to use she for the subject pronoun in the feminine form, and also use her instead of him as the object pronoun. Right, now that you've understood this lesson, make sure you tune in for the next lesson on they versus them.